This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 28 of building Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. We're continuing the suspension theme from last time. We've got the wishbone type bit, which is quite a soft, it feels metal, but it's very springy, which is ideal, I assume. We've got a couple of little brackets. Make sure you get them the right way round. Once again, the instructions are not the clearest. That one goes in there, and that one goes up there. It doesn't matter which way round that one goes, but it does matter which way round that one goes, because it's obviously got to shape it in with everything. We're using the 05 screws to hold those in place, one in each. That will get those done in no time at all. It holds in from the other side, obviously. So that one will go in there. Just like that. And the other one. And that goes up there. We'll go in the back to hold that together. Fairly simple construction, at least so far. So all good, easy stuff. That goes in there like so. Then this goes on there like that, and we need these two little bars, which are going to hold it in place. One on either side. Obviously, you're going to go through the bit we've just fitted, and then through the big gap in there. I'm going to use a pair of pliers to get that in place. One end of that is a little bit gnarled, so you obviously need to stick with that. Use which one's which and sort it out that way. So the knurled end I shall hold, and then put the other end through the hole. It will be very easy to do, obviously. Through there, then through there, and then out through the other side. Once you get it all lined up, worry about that in a moment. Let's try and do the other same on the other side here. One end knurled, I shall hold that end. Try and get this lined up through here. And through there. And again, I shall tidy up the other side of that. Then the middle bit obviously goes on here. We got two pins and two screws to hold that together on there. We got a big screw through the hole in the middle of that, but it doesn't actually go anywhere. That's interesting. What's that for then? Why is there a big hole in the middle? I thought that would be lining things up, but it isn't. Yeah, no idea about that. It's just there because it's there rather than it actually attaching to anything. And we're going to use two of the 09 screws to hold that together. On the top, making sure you get it the right way around, and the curved piece faces inside. that one on there. Obviously the posts don't need screws, but the other two holes do. So we've got one there. And one there. I won't tighten those up until I've got these tidied up as well, but that adds to the functionality of the suspension just a little bit. So that's that. Another issue done. Next time we are doing, well, let me have a sneak peek ahead. It looks like we're starting on the brake, the disc panel. This we're going to be fitting onto that as well. So join me for that soon. Other part works before then, though, of course. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.